heat index values up to. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911 if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 70, Bay City, Texas. At the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Groves Police Department is searching for Jason Robertson, black, male, 4 years old, 3 foot 6 inches, 70 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, black shirt, black shorts, and has scars on arms, stomach, and legs. Police are looking for Blake Robertson, 34 years old, black, male, 6 foot 0 inches, 222 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and several tattoos on upper body in connection with this abduction. The suspect was last heard from in Groves, Texas at 4:50 p.m. on June 4, 2022.
AM 1670 broadcast 24 hours a day on 1670 kilohertz AM and as well as
409-722-24965. News media point of contact is Groves Police Department at 409-722-24965. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Groves Police Department is searching for Jason Robertson. 70 pounds. Wearing a gray Timberland shirt, black shorts, arms, stomach, and legs. Police are looking. The suspect was last heard from in Grove, Texas at 4:50 p.m. on June 4, 2022. Law enforcement cause heat illnesses to occur. 2022. Law enforcement. Use media point of contact. If you have any information, 2496. Call the Groves Police Department at 40. Contact is Groves Police Department at 409-722-24965. This is for the following counties in Texas.
on your radio